If Telegram is only letting you send messages to mutual contacts, that usually means your account has been restricted. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your status and request a review so you can try to fix it. This is a quick and simple method, and it's one of the best first steps if you suddenly notice that you can only message people who already have your number saved. Before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the search bar. In the search bar, type at SpamBot, then select the official spam info bot from the results. This bot is Telegram's built-in way to show you whether your account has any messaging restrictions. Once you open it, tap Start to begin the conversation. After you start the bot, it will check your account and display your current status. If your account is clean, you may see a normal status message. But if you are restricted, the bot will usually explain that your account cannot message non-contacts right now. This is the key message that confirms the issue. If you see that restriction, look carefully at the options the bot gives you. You should see a button or message like, "But I can't message non-contacts." Tap that option to begin the review process. Telegram will then guide you through the appeal steps on screen. Follow each instruction exactly and provide any details the bot asks for. In some cases, you may be asked to explain that you are a real user and not sending spam. Keep your response clear, polite, and short. After you submit the request, all you need to do is wait for Telegram to review your account. The restriction may not be removed instantly, so give it some time and check back later if needed. While you wait, avoid sending lots of messages to unknown users, because that can make the restriction worse. Also, make sure your account activity looks normal and follows Telegram's rules. If the restriction is lifted, you should be able to message non-contacts again as usual. If it is not removed right away, you can revisit the spam info bot later and check for updates. So, to recap, the fix is to open Telegram, search for SpamBot, tap Start, check your status, and if you're restricted, choose the option to appeal the message limit. This is the fastest official way to find out why Telegram is blocking messages to non-contacts, and what you can do about it. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.